Alright you guys, I'm Greg with Fix My Bleep channel. Let's get right to the review video. We're going to start with an unboxing of these Lenarinter sconces. They come in a 2-pack. This will be a review of these lights. So these are light fixtures. They are wall sconces. These are the matte black versions of these things. And let's go ahead and get these unboxed and see how they look. Looks like the packaging looks really good here. Go ahead and get things unboxed. They come packaged very nicely. Alright, that's everything that comes in the box. Alright, so the best use and location of this particular sconce lighting. So great use of it is obviously on either side of your bathroom mirror or bathroom vanity. So another great use is on either side of your bed, on each side of the bed frame. On either side of a fireplace is another fantastic use of this. Down a hallway is another fantastic use of this. In a living room is another great use of this. Up and down a staircase is another fantastic use for this. With your mounting hardware, you'll notice right here you've got your grounding wire, you've got your hot and your neutral wires right here, and you've also got your mounting bracket right here. And then you've got this nut right here. This is to keep your glass on. Once you put your glass on here, you'll put this nut back on and that will hold it onto the base. So as simple as that. So they do send you with these pretty plain instructions here, but they are going to work whether you mount it with the glass up or you mount it with the glass down. It's going to be the same either way. And they also send you with this bag that's got some wire nuts in here, and it's got some screws for your mounting box. So be sure and make sure that that breaker is turned off. So go check your breaker panel when you're swapping these out. Alright you guys, so take the nut off of this. It comes on there. Be sure and take that off. Your glass goes on here. You put the nut back on, and you can mount your piece like that. You go ahead and mount your hardware up or down, put your bulb in, and then you're all set. Alright you guys, let's go get this installed. Alright, so I'll be putting these wall sconces on the staircase right here, and just give you a little bit better view. Alright you guys, so tools required to install these light fixtures. So you'll need some standard wire strippers. You'll need a number 2 screwdriver, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and then just a regular flathead screwdriver. That should take care of it. Alright you guys, so the first piece you want to do is put your plate on the wall, but it's got to have your screws facing outward so that your knobs can hold your whole light fixture onto the wall. So be sure and put this over your wiring. And then you'll want to mount this to the wall and make sure that your screws are level. Alright you guys, once you got your mounting bracket on, pull the wires through the bracket, just like that. Keep your black wires together, your white wires together. It's time to actually wire these in. I'm going to strip back just a little bit more wiring here on the white and the black. A little bit more wire to work with. A bit more there. Just be careful just to strip the insulation, not the actual wires. Twist them together really good. And I've already decided I'm going to hang these. I'm going to hang them so that the glass is upright. Go ahead and I'm going to start with the grounding wire, and I'm going to hang these with the glass up like that. Just wrapping the grounding wire in here. You can see that. the wire nut that they send right there. Wrap the wire nut around there. And give it a couple of really good twists. You hear it click a couple of times. There it goes. That will basically hold the fixture. You want to rinse and repeat with the white and the black wire. Do the black wire next. Wrap it around the existing contacts. Right there. The wire nut on there. Wrap that around there till it clicks. And then we'll do that with the white wire. Wrap the white wire. Wire nut on there until it starts to click. Now we've got all our wires, good solid connection. I'm going to go ahead and push those into the wall plate here. Starting with the ground. Let's see if this will fit over and if my screws will come through the plate, which they are. Alright, we're looking good here. I'm going to put the little thumb screws on to hold the plate on, the bracket, hold the wall base on. Okay, that's looking good. Alright you guys, so this fixture is mounted. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to unscrew this glass plate holder and get the glass on here. You want those snug, but you don't want to over tighten them because you could crack the glass. There's several different types of bulbs you can put in here. I went ahead and got what's called the GE vintage style 60-watt light bulb. So we'll see how this looks. And that light's done. But you guys, these lights are all installed. I've got the bulbs in them. Moment of truth. Here we go. Wow, let's check that out. I'm going to turn off my backlighting here. Let's take a look. Really some great looking lights. Look at these lights coming up the stairs here. Great looking lights. Alright, so I just flipped these lights the other way. Now they're facing downward. Let me flip the lights back on here so you can get a look at those, just so you can get a comparison. And there they are with the downward facing look. Still a beautiful light. Check those out. Great looking lights there. And that's it, what they look like facing downward. Alright, so I had to do one more comparison. So I've been showing you these lights with the vintage style amber glass 60 watt GE bulbs, which is this, and keep in mind these are standard light socket bulbs. But I also wanted to show you a comparison with just a regular warm light GE bulb, which I've got here. And by the way, these are all LED bulbs that I'm demonstrating here. but I've got just a warm light bulb compared to the amber glass bulb. So let me just show you a quick comparison how that looks as well. Check it out. So you can see the difference there. So look at the difference there. Now you've got the slender, just regular warm light bulb versus your amber, a little bit larger bulb down there. You can see the difference. So it doesn't matter what kind of bulb you use in here, these lights still look really good. Alright, so this is a review video, so let's get to that part. So first off, after having installed these lights, I have to say these were really easy and straightforward to install. So I'd say easy install. These lights came really well packaged. They weren't going to be broken or anything very easily in this box. They're just wrapped really well. Some more positives is these lights are really stylish. They just look really good in the house. Another positive is you can use them all over the house. You can use them in bedrooms and bathrooms and hallways and kitchens, on either side of a fireplace. Just very versatile in vanities, different places like that. So another positive is they use a standard light bulb base. Another positive is they are dimmable. Another positive is these lights are reversible. So like I showed you earlier, you can use them right side up or you can flip them over and use them upside down. Alright, so these lights are available on Amazon for about $42.99. There's a link in the description where you can find these. They do come in a brushed nickel as well as the matte black, which I showed you on the install. They also come in the 2 sconce set, or they come in a 2 light set as well on the same link. Alright, so as far as negative things go on this light set, I couldn't come up with any, and I try to always come up with something negative. I really couldn't come up with one on this. This is, you get what you expect, you get what you pay for. It's actually worth the price. It's worth what you're paying for these. They look good, they're easy to install. I give this light set 2 thumbs up on this, so they look great. Alright, so hopefully this video is really helpful. Please be sure and let me know where you end up using these lights in your own place. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.